Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Capcut is fully updated and that you open the exact project where the graph option disappeared. This matters because older builds remove or relocate effects. Once done, make sure to restart the app and clear cache. That forces the app to reload feature lists. If you used a downloaded template or preset, switch to a blank timeline. Templates can disable some editing panels, so you need the standard editing workspace to reveal graph controls. Next, enable the advanced editing workspace so the graph controls become available. Capcut hides them under manual or advanced modes. You go into clip properties and specifically tap speed or curve settings because those expose the graph editor for speed ramps and value curves. If you still cannot see it, toggle the app's UI panels, show hidden toolbars, or reset the layout to defaults, since a changed layout can keep the graph off-screen, even though it's active in the build. Finally, make your graph edits and render a short test clip to verify the graph actually applied changes. If the graph option remains absent, consider reinstalling Capcut or switching to the official beta release. Sometimes features are region-locked or behind staged rollouts. As a key troubleshooting tip, export project data or note device model, OS, and app version before contacting support, providing those specific speeds diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.